Today we are going to see the quadratic equation revision. The quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x minus 16 is uh, having a degree 2. Hence it is called as a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation's general format is ax square plus bx plus c. So when you want to find out the solution of the quadratic equation, first you have to find the product of a and c with the sign. So the product should be expressed as a factor. When you add or subtract, you should get the middle number b. Here you see 3x square minus 2x minus 16. The product of the equation is 3 into minus 16, that is equal to minus 48. This minus is telling that when you subtract, you should get minus 2. So we are going to find out the number. When you multiply, you should get minus 48. When you subtract, you should get minus 2. So the number is minus 8 into 6 is minus 48. Minus 8 plus 6 equal to minus 2. You should understand that this should satisfy the both conditions. Then only you will get a correct solution for this. So instead of this minus 2x, we are going to write minus 8x and plus 6x. That a term 3x square will remain as same and the c term minus 16 will remain as same. Instead of minus 2x, we are going to write minus 8x plus 6x. So take x out from this 3x square minus 8x. We are going to split into this 2 separately and this 2 separately. Take x out, you will get 3x minus 8. Here the same 3x minus 8 you should put. What should be multiplied with 3x should get 6x 2. So multiply 2 into 3x 6x, 2 into minus 8 minus 16. So you will get, you take 3x minus 8 out, you will get x plus 2 equal to 0. So you have to see that x plus 2 into 3x minus 8 equal to 0. That means either x plus 2 is 0 or 3x minus 8 equal to 0. Equate x plus 2 equal to 0, you will get x equal to minus 2. And equate 3x minus 8 equal to 0, you will get 3x equal to 8, x equal to 8 by 3. Now we are going to solve the same equation using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here you see a equal to 3, b equal to minus 2 and c equal to minus 16, right? So we are going to simple substitution, that's all, right? Okay, minus b means minus is already there, right? Minus, and b is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square. B is minus 2, right? Minus 2 the whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 16. 4 into 3 into minus 16 by 2a. 2 into a is 3, 6. So x equal to minus into minus, what you will get, plus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 2s are what you will get, 4 minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 16s are 192, whole thing divided by 6. So 2 plus or minus 4 plus 192 is 196, square root of 196 by 6. 2 plus or minus square root of 196 is 14. So 2 plus or minus 14 by 6. This can be written as 2 plus 14 by 6 or 2 minus 14 by 6. 2 plus 14 is 16 by 6. When you cancel, you will get 8 by 3. 2 minus 14 is minus 12 by 6. When you cancel, you will get minus 2. Going to the next one. So here in the square root, you got a expression b square minus 4ac. This is called as discriminant. So why it is called as discriminant? Because this value will discriminate whether it is the roots are real and equal or real and not equal or roots are not real. So this is called as discriminant. You should understand when b square minus 4ac equal to 0, roots are real and equal. See, using this you will get problem. You should understand. b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. It is very important. Then b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and not equal. So roots are real but not equal. B square minus 4ac is less than 0 means roots are not real. So going to the next one. You understand that the question is 4x square minus 12x plus 3. Then you have to find the nature of the roots for this equation. When they ask the nature of the roots, you should understand that the discriminant b square minus 4ac, you have to find it out. So let us find out that b square minus 4ac minus b is minus 12 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 3. So minus 12 square is 144, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 144 minus 48, that is equal to 96, which is greater than 0. That means roots are real and not equal. So now next one, find the value of a for which the following equation gets the real and unequal roots. Right, this ax square minus 6x plus 12 has got real and not equal roots. If the roots are not real and not equal means that b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. What is b here? Minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a is a into 12 is greater than 0. By using this, we are going to find out a, right? You see, minus 6 square is 36, minus 4 12s are minus 48a should be greater than 0. This minus 48a will be there, the 36 will go there, that side minus 36. And both are in minus sign. If you cancel minus, then that sign will change inverse, right? So now minus 48a is greater than minus 36. When you cancel minus minus, now you will get 48a is less than 36. Now you see this example here. Here you see minus 3 is greater than minus 4. You all know that, right? When you cancel the minus sign, now what will happen? 3 will be less than 4, right? This example you should see carefully to understand this, right? So now a is less than 36 by 48. Now you have to solve a. You can cancel it in 12 table. A is less than 3 by 4. Okay. Now going to the next one. See here this sum 2 into x plus 2 by 2x minus 3 minus 9 into 2x minus 3 by x plus 2 equal to 3. See, when you get the sums like that, you understand that this x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 by x plus 2 are reciprocals, right? This you can do it in another way also. You can take LCM and you can do this also. You will get the same answer. But it would be easier if you do like in this way, right? Now I am going to take x plus 2 by 2x minus 3 as y, 2x minus 3 by x plus 2 as 1 by y. Substituting 2y minus 9 into 1 by y equal to 3. Now take LCM, right? Here no y, so by 1, here by 1. So what you will get? You have to multiply this with y. 2y square minus 9 by y equal to 3, right? So 2y square minus 9 equal to this y will go as this side as multiplication 3y, right? This y is common for 2y square minus 9. For whole thing it is common, right? Now 2y square, this 3y if it comes this side minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Multiply, when you multiply you should get minus 9 into 2, that is equal to minus 18. This minus is saying that when you subtract you should get the middle number minus 3. So what is that number? When you multiply you will get minus 18, and when you subtract minus 3 it is very easy. Minus 6 into 3 when you multiply you will get minus 18. Minus 6 plus 3 when you subtract you will get minus 3, right? Now write it down 2y square and minus 9 as such. Instead of minus 3y, you write minus 6y plus 3y. Now take 2y out, you will get y minus 3. And the same y minus 3 you should put it here. When you multiply with the 3, you will get 3y minus 3 into plus 3 will become minus 9 equal to 0. 2y plus 3 equal to 0 or y minus 3 equal to 0. That means what you will get, 2y plus 3 equal to 0 means y equal to this plus 3, if it goes that side, minus 3 by 2, and y minus 3 equal to 0 means y equal to 3. See, the sum is not ending here. They have given the variable x, but you have find out the variable y. Now you have to find out the value of x, right? By substituting the value of y over here, you have to find out the value of x. So we are going to find out. So see, first one, x plus 2 by 2x minus 3 equal to y minus 3 by 2. First one we are going to find out, right? So when you find out minus 3 by 2, you cross multiply 2 into x plus 2 equal to minus 3 into 2x minus 3. So 2x plus 4 equal to minus 6x plus 9. So 2x, this minus 6x, if it comes this side plus 6x, you will get 9 minus 4, 8x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 8. In the same way, you have to substitute the another root. This is first root minus 3 by 2 we have applied. The another root equal to 3 that we are going to apply, and we have got the answer x equal to 11 by 5. Right? Now we'll go to the next one. Next one is that this C. If the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2m cx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has equal roots, prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So I told already, if you get the wording equal root, then you have to go to the word discriminant is equal, right? Discriminant is equal to 0, then it has equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is b here? B is 2mc, a is 1 plus m square, c is c square minus a square. You apply this b square 2mc the whole square minus 4 into a is 1 plus m square into c is c square minus a square equal to 0. Multiply 2 2s are 4 m square c square minus 4 into multiply c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square equal to 0. So 4m square c square minus, multiply with this 4c square minus into minus plus 4a square minus into plus minus 4m square c square minus into minus plus 4m square a square equal to 0. So here 4 plus 4m square c square minus 4m square c square will get cancel up. You will get 4a square plus 4m square a square equal to this minus 4c square, if it goes that side, plus 4c square. Take 4 out. If you take 4 out, 4a square out, you will get, this will become 1 plus m square equal to 4c square. Cancel 4, you will get c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Hence proved. So this is the proof for this. So you go through all the problems, solve problems like this to get good marks in your board exams. Thank you all.